So, who the hell do I think I am to be developing video games? Quite simply, no one. I honestly did what most people do in a bad situation. I just started. But let's go back, way back in time, to why I started making video games. I graduated design school in 2014. Ooh, she thinks she's somebody. And I wanted to be a concept artist. By that I mean somebody who illustrates video game visuality relative to actually creating the video games. Not that there's anything wrong with being a concept artist, I have immense respect. But I went to GDC, the Game Developers Conference in San Francisco, to see if I could make something happen in the industry, see if I could maybe get some jobs or something. And I realized, not that easy. Really, no. What I realized very quickly was that nobody really wanted to talk with me, and everybody was basically there for the same reason that I was. I went to a talk from some of the big creative heads at some of the bigger companies, Riot and Blizzard and companies like that. And this talk was all about portfolio. How do you make the best portfolio? How do you get people to notice you? And after the talk, they were kind enough to sit down and actually look at the portfolios of people who had attended. So I thought, this is a great opportunity for me. I can actually get some feedback on my stuff and I can actually look at it. So I lined up, as did a lot of people, to actually get this feedback. And in this line, people started showing off their work. And oh boy, was it a lot better than the work I had done. Like, a lot better. Really intimidating stuff. And in that line, I realized, what am I doing here? Why am I trying to compete with these people around me when I clearly can't? So I realized relatively quickly that I needed to do something that those people couldn't, or maybe wouldn't, which was just make the damn games. Just put the games together. I'd already been programming a little bit at the time, so maybe I should just focus there. The first thing I did when I came home was to apply for a website called One Game a Month and simply just start making games using the Unity engine. So The Chain Broke is the first full-length game that I'm going to be releasing on as many platforms as I can get it. So please stick around for the development of that. And I hope to see more of you, and you will definitely see more of me.